Life kind of sucks right now, doesn't it? Yeah, current events aren't going the way any of us really expected. Well, at least we can make one thing suck a little better. Like vacuums! Hi everyone, welcome to Good Tech Sheep. I'm your host, Adron. Hey, if you like this video and if you can, please give it a like. Please subscribe and please click on that notification bell to be notified when we drop a new video. Today, we are talking about the ILIFE B5 Max Robot Vacuum. The ILIFE B5 Max Robot Vacuum is a Wi-Fi connected vacuum with up to 2000 PA suction power. This baby is a vacuum, a mop. It comes with a large dustbin and vacuum bags, just in case you get tired of cleaning, as well as a zigzag cleaning path and self-charging, ideal for hard floors. It also comes with various different modes. For example, spot mode. Spot mode is perfect for intensive cleaning on small areas with its 2000 PA suction power. I can't emphasize this enough. That's very powerful suction. It also has auto mode, which maximizes cleaning coverage. Max mode enhances suction up to 1500 PA, and edge mode specifically for those corners and edges. So really they have a mode for every single kind of situation you need cleaning, even if it's day to day or you want to get that really tricky spot. This vacuum also comes with an app. The iLife Home app sets up weekly cleaning schedules, so it will clean automatically based off whatever schedule you put in ahead of time. Basically more efficient cleaning with less time of programming. Keep in mind though, the Wi-Fi is at 2.4 Gs rather than 5G, so just keep that in mind while you're setting everything up. It also comes with 3 different vacuum bags, and you can easily switch out between dustbins and vacuum bags whenever you get tired of cleaning out the dustbin. These bags not only double as a filter, but they also have a 1000 milliliter capacity, collecting a lot more trash and reducing the amount of times you have to clean out your vacuum. You can also vacuum and mop at the same time. Yes, this vacuum comes with its own mop that can effectively remove dirt and trash while mopping your floor. The capacity of the water tank is about 50 milliliters, meaning you can get about 30 square meters of mopping, cleaning coverage. You don't have to worry about that extra coverage with the mop. You can just use this vacuum to do everything. So the iLife B5 Max Robot Vacuum comes with 1 water tank, 1 mop cloth, 1 dustbin, 3 vacuum bags, a remote control, which you can control the vacuum with a remote control. It's pretty gosh darn effective. 2 AAA batteries, once again for the controller, 2 high efficiency filters, 1 power adapter about 1.5 meters of length, a charging dock, obviously, a cleaning brush, and 2 side brushes along with a service card. It also comes with a nice little warranty so you can know exactly what you can return and what you can't. This whole package costs only $229.99. Yes, you heard me right. $229.99 for this great robot vacuum. I've done enough talking. Let's go ahead and test this thing out.
Hey!
Hey there.
What have you been doing since I've been gone?
I've been vacuuming with this. This is the app for the iLife B5 Max. And we're gonna see how it works, shall we?
I want to see.
Yeah, let's see. So, I've already got it set up.
Whoa.
So we can go ahead. Right now it's in sleep mode. Look at that. I literally just turned it on. It's like, yeah, I'm ready to go, boss. What do you want to do? So, let's hit start. Already. Now it's cool. So you can control it. And since it's got a lot of edges to deal with, I'm going to put it in edge mode.
Edge mode.
Edge mode. And this really, really helps you get the edges snuck right in there. It's like all kinds of people.
That has a low profile, bro.
It does have a low profile.
There it
There it
is.
is, hey! It is really just wanting to move on, doesn't it? Let's have it move a bit up. There we go. Thanks, buddy. So I had start. Let's have it go through spot mode. Oh look, that spot you need cleaning specifically, you can do. No problem. Alright, I think it's good for now. I want it to go back home and recharge. No time flat. And you can also schedule for whenever you want it to clean automatically. Let's go back to me now. Wow, that was a great product demo. I really loved how user-friendly that application was. It just worked pretty quickly and you didn't have to mess around with a lot of features. Well, I believe that wraps up this episode of Good Tech Cheap. Thank you so much to ILIFE for sponsoring this video. If you like the ILIFE Max Robot Vacuum, please click on that link in the description below for more information and to buy the robot vacuum. From Los Angeles, California, I've been Adron. Stay safe, be kind to each other, and have a nice day. Bye-bye.